What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna try to put this sticker for the page or company, whatever you want to call it, on his car. I got to do the 300 one, but I'm doing that later because it's gonna be a different color than the theme that's on the car now, because I'm getting it painted. And it's, I don't even want to talk about it. I just want you guys to see when it happens. I'm not even gonna do no updates on it. I'm just gonna do it all at one time, film a dope video about it, and then call it a day. And then I gotta figure out what color I want to put on the BMW. I don't know. He's doing red. Do it. Put it on. What are you waiting for, bro?
I'm looking.
You're looking?
Oh, it's gone. I don't have one anymore.
So this is how you decide to figure out if it's centered. It looks centered, bro. Honestly. Just lay it down. Watch it be like crooked. It's so crooked. You can't pick it up now. You gotta lay it all down. You just gotta lay it down.
It's not crooked. Fuck.
I'm just kidding. It looks good. Bad lifestyle, boy. I think it looks good.
You got one of those.
Alright, guys. So you know, I don't know why, but I never put this sticker on the car. And you know, gotta wrap everything. That side's already full, so I'm gonna have to go with this side. I don't know if I should put it like there. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but yeah, I gotta put the Joker Z sticker on. By the way, if anybody got one of these or for the giveaway or whatever, they're gonna be shipped out by probably by Friday or Saturday. I got a lot of these to ship out, but yeah, if you got one for free, then good job. Thanks for subscribing. I swear, I don't know who is doing it, but someone just keeps writing all over my car, like putting their fingerprints all on it and stuff. Like, I know it's dirty. I have to wash this thing every week, dude. It just gets so dirty. I don't even know if you can see. It's just insanely dirty. Yeah, I have a lot of leaks. No, I'm just kidding. It just rained, that's why. But this car it gets dirty every day. Like, I cannot keep it clean to save my life. Like, I don't understand. Every week it's black. The whole back is black. Obviously I'm burning oil, and I don't think there's really anything I can do about that, so I just gotta live with it. So I just gotta wash it every week. The only good thing is that now it's getting a lot, I don't know why, but last week it was in the 20s. This week it's in the 60s, and it might even get 70 sometime this week. So luckily it's warm outside and it's not bad. I mean, I'm outside with no jacket on, and it's February, which, I mean, I guess in Georgia, February, it's kind of warming up, I guess, a little bit. But I remember a couple years ago it snowed in March here. So the weather here is crazy. For all the people up north that watch these videos, I'm sorry for the cold up there, because I couldn't take it, I don't think. But yeah, so luckily it's warm out today, and I can wash my car in a short sleeve shirt for the first time in a long time, so I'm happy about it. Austin thinks he's cool. Hey bro, do you think you're cool or what?
Let's go.
Do you think you're, I'm letting my car warm up. Do you think you're cool?
Come on.
Do you think you're cool, bro?
Bro, it's warming up.
Is your car loud, bro? Dude, that smells like fried rice. Or is that steamed? Yeah, Austin got his little exhaust, his resonators, and muffler's cut off, so he feels like hot boy. Like, his car's fast. Like, pff, you don't know nothing about being fast. You don't know nothing about being fast unless you drive an NA300ZX. I'm just kidding. They're so slow. I can't. The BMW is so much faster, and it makes me want to twin turbo that car so much more. But then at the same time, it's like I could spend like $2,000 and have a 500 horsepower BMW, or I could spend like $15,000 and have a 500 horsepower 300. So messes with me. But you know, we're just gonna do what we can do. We're gonna just live with the BMW life, and the 300 could just stay NA for right now. And then one day, maybe, who knows, you know, maybe. The goal is to twin turbo the The goal is to twin turbo the 300 one of these days, but soon. I don't know. It's just I'm the kind of person that just makes. I don't really plan well. I kind of just go for it. Like I'm like, oh, you know what? Today I want this. I'm going to get it. That's what I'm doing. That's it. So maybe one day I'll decide. Soon I'm gonna twin turbo and I'll twin turbo it. But you know, until then, we're gonna keep driving slow in A. I don't know if I'm putting this in the video, but if I do. What are you doing, Matthew?
Taping.
Why are you taping the window, bro? You about to try to break it or what?
No. It's plastic.
A plasti dip in the whole truck. Honestly, this part came out really good.
Hold on.
Why? Cause you're doing it? You want a plasti dip the 300 or what?
You want? 1500.
Oh my gosh, hell no, I'm not spending 1500 to plasti dip my car. But yeah, guys, he's gonna plasti dip this whole thing. I don't know, he's good. It looks good. The front fender looks really good, honestly. It kind of makes me want to plasti dip my car, but like, I just don't know. Like, I think I'm just gonna have it painted. I'm about to talk to someone today, hopefully, about getting it painted. So I know that I said I wasn't gonna get it painted at 500. Like I didn't have the money or whatever. Well, maybe I will, and maybe it will get done. I don't know, guys. Hit that subscribe button, give me the 500, and maybe the 300 will get painted. Who knows? Alright guys, so I don't know if you can tell, shine a light. It turned out really good. The door and the fender looks super clean. And now Matthew's about to work on the hood. How you feel about plasti dip, bro?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I like plastic. Plastic is nice.
Look at these dents, boy.
What do you know what you're talking about, bro? Don't look at me.
Can't even really see him, honestly.
What do you know what you're talking about?
Really now.
You know what you're talking about?
Really now. Yeah, I do know what I'm talking about. I'm a master painter, bro. That's why I'm painting my 300ZX myself. I'm just kidding. I don't even know anything about painting. So right now we're putting the finishing coats on the door. And we took all the stuff off the fender except for the Ranger thing right there. But honestly, it looks really good. And then we're working on the hood too. Oh, you see that cat right there? That cat decided to, last night when we were doing the fender, I don't know if you could see it right. You can't, I don't think you can see it. If it'll focus on it. I don't know, but there's paw prints like right here. You can kind of see it, I think. Yeah, there's paw prints on it because he jumped on it last night while it was wet. So Matthew is being extra careful for this time. Did not let the cats touch it. But the hood, I think it's like 2 or 3 coats on the hood right now, and then the door's pretty much done. He's just doing the last coat. Yeah, it's turning out good. What do you think, Matthew?
I'm not satisfied with the door.
You're not satisfied?
No. It didn't come out as nice as the fender.
Matthew the perfectionist trying to make plasti dip perfect.
This is actually coming out really good. Sorry, you know what you're doing?
Yeah, very tiger stripey.
Yeah. But look up here.
Yeah, super even.
That is compared to that.
Yeah. The truck's gonna look good. He's gonna get new tires because these tires are shot. Look at that. No bueno. And I think he's gonna paint these wheels black and then all the accents black. I think it looks good. I think it's going to look good. Oh, and we're putting a supercharger in the 4-cylinder. It's just gonna like sit right there. And then we're gonna get a turbo too. So like a turbo supercharger setup, you know? Right?
Yeah.
It's gonna be sick nasty, bro. What? You know it. Alright guys, so we just did another coat, but Matthew ran out of paint. Or Plasti Dip. How you feel about that?
I feel alright. Sorry.
But the door's done. Probably nice. Probably gonna go over it again, try to get it better. But I think it look, honestly, now that it's drying, it looks better.
Yeah, it looks a lot better. See how it looks when it dries all the way. I think I'm gonna back it in.
But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed us plasti dipping his truck. I'll give another update on this thing, the finished product, so you guys can see what it looks like after it's done. But yeah, guys, if you haven't already, go subscribe. Leave a like on this video if you liked it. This man wants to interrupt me with this piece of crap truck. But yeah, guys, go hit that subscribe button. If I get to 500 subscribers, I'm gonna paint my car. I'm gonna do it regardless now. I've decided I'm gonna paint it, but go subscribe. Comment down below what color you think I'm painting the 300. I can't remember if I've told anyone yet or not, but comment down below what color you think I'm gonna paint it. I already have a color decided. Just take a guess. We'll just see. All right, guys. Peace.